Welcome back! It's part 2 of the Premium Starter Kit. Today I'm going to share with you the 5 remaining blended oils in the Premium Starter Kit. Hi, my name is Helena and I am the founder of Itsohelena. Another of my favorite oil in the PSK is Digest. Digest is good for when you feel that you're having a lot of discomfort from overeating or you have been drinking too much. Digest will help to release that tension in the stomach. For those who are not comfortable using the oils neat, it's highly recommended that you use together with the carrier oils like V6. Young Living has a vegetable oil by the name of V6 and it is very light and very soothing. When you're having some discomfort of the stomach, you can utilize Digest together with the V6 that I mentioned earlier and massage gently into your tummy so that you will not feel so much discomfort. Panaway, one of the most expensive oil in this whole Premium Starter Kit. This is very ideal for muscles and for anything that dealing with discomfort of the body. For example, when you have some sore muscles, combine Panaway with some V6 for a good massage. It will release that tensions that you are experiencing. Purification is super awesome to remove unpleasant smells. Example, you have a stinky fridge. You can always add a drop into the cotton ball and just throw it into the refrigerator. Or you can always apply in between your toes before putting on your socks if you're going to be out in a long day wearing your shoes. If you are under the weather and you need to clear some airways, I would highly recommend RC. Plus, at times, we feel very stressed. If we feel discomfort over our chest, we can also apply RC to elevate. Boosting our immune system is very important, especially during these trying times where we are so exposed to all kinds of viruses, which is beyond our control. The only control that you can do is to boost up your immune system. So how can you do that? Try applying tips over the sole of your feet every night before going to bed. I hope these tips helps you, and that completes the episode for the oils in the Premium Starter Kit. For more inspiration on wellness with essential oils, follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye bye for now.